The outside of the 2025 Kia Bongo Motorhome will differ significantly according on the body shop or moderator performing the conversion. The Kia Bongo is a popular light commercial vehicle for motorhome conversions. Nonetheless, we may talk about typical external features that are frequently seen. The front cab of the Kia Bongo will remain standard. This cab over truck cab is standard. To improve headroom inside, the rear body roof might be high roof, sloping, or flat. For more sleeping room or ventilation, certain versions could incorporate a pop-up roof. For ventilation and illumination, side windows of different shapes and sizes sliding, side opening will be fitted. Typically, the side or back of the living area serves as the primary entry. It is possible to install external doors or compartments to provide access to gas compartments, water tanks, or storage chambers. Ladder and back, particularly on versions with a high roof, a roof rack or a ladder to access the roof may be added. It is possible to install external LED lights for work or night lighting. Additional external features, depending on utility and design. Area of sleeping: typically, a double bed is located at the back or, if a high roof is installed, over the driver's cabin. To save space, certain designs could include fold-down beds or bunks. There could be a fold-down table in the dining seating area with seats that doubles as an extra bed, a single or two-burner stove, a tiny basin with a water faucet, and cupboards for storing food and cooking utensils are typical features of a compact kitchenette. There may include a little refrigerator in some versions, a modest bathroom with a chemical or portable toilet, a small basin, and even a shower with a restricted water capacity may be included in some more comprehensive conversions. There may be little clean and dirty water tanks for usage in the restroom and kitchen. For keeping clothes, camping equipment, and other personal belongings, storage features like cupboards and shelves will be crucial. For simple cleaning, lightweight plywood or composite panels are typically used for the walls and vinyl or laminate for the floors. LED lighting will be widely utilized for indoor lighting that uses less energy. For air circulation, roof vents and side windows that can be open will be crucial. To maintain appropriate internal temperatures, insulation will be placed on the walls, roofs, and floors. Common electrical systems will have USB 12 volts charging ports, inverters for AC power, and extra deep cycle batteries. Solar panels could be included on some models. The basic Kia Bongo engine that is accessible worldwide will probably be used if a body business or importer decides to convert a Kia Bongo into a motorhome. The Kia Bongo's engine selection is determined on the market and generation. Diesel motors typically offer diesel engine choices with a 2.5L or 2.7L size. For light commercial vehicles, power and torque are usually enough, however they will vary based on engine specifications. For instance, a 2.5L diesel engine with about 133 horsepower and 293 Nm of torque is mentioned in certain sources.